So, nagbe-blurred, guys. Nag-make katsudon, guys. Katsudon. Katsudon, guys. Chicken katsudon. Sarap. So that's the chicken katsudon. Katsudon. Chicken katsudon. Sorry guys kasi wala akong ano talaga guys. Wala tayong ano kawali guys. So dito lang tayo talaga nagluluto. So ang sarap. Chicken katsudon. That's our chicken katsudon. Yummy. Bye guys. So yan yung rice natin. What's up, peopleness? What's up, peopleness? Peopleness, what's up? Tigas na naman ng kanin, guys. Matigas na naman ng kanin na sinain natin. Ngayon. Chicken katsudon. Sarap, guys. Simple lang, pero to the highest level, sarap. Chicken katsudon. Yummy. Katsudon. So, tikman natin, guys. Tikman ba natin? Kain ka na, mahal? Ito na. Ha? Sarap. Sarap. Guys, ang sarap. Ang sarap, guys. Grabe. The chicken katsudon. Sorry, wala na yung mga sibuyas, guys. Hindi natin nailagay. Yung may sibuyas yan, guys, pero hindi kita yung sibuyas, guys. Pasensya na naman. Pasensya naman, guys. Oh. Yummy, guys. Ang sarap. Yung egg, guys, oh. Look at the egg. Mm-hmm. It's easy to cook, guys. This is so easy to cook. Napakadali lang yung lutuin talaga. Sobra. So this is the sibuyas, guys. The onion. So this is the onions. Do you see the onions in the top? The top, guys. Onion. I love eating onions, guys. Thank you, guys, for watching, guys. I love eating the onions. I love the onions, the garlic, guys. I really love to eat onions and the garlic, whatever, guys. Ang sarap talaga, guys. Sobrang sarap. Ang sarap talaga ng ating niluto. It's a katsidon, guys. Katsidon. Look, guys. Ang sarap naman kasi, guys, eh. Guys, ang sarap naman kasi. So, sarap, guys. Sarap-sarap kasi, guys. Sarap po. Mag-birth ba talaga ako, guys? Sarap niya. Ang sarap. Okay. Sarap. So later, papakainin ko na si Dora, guys. Kasi gutom na rin si Dora. Pakainin ko na siya, guys. Later. Sarap talaga eh. Oh. Yummy balbon kasi, guys. Kahit simple lang yan. Sarap. The rice therapy is so, ano talaga. The rice therapy. Okay na to. Okay na to. Okay na to. Okay na to. Dora will like it. Okay na to.